Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on something very special. It is a 2014 built model year 15 Holden HSV Clubsport R8. Now starting at the front, I'm going to walk you through, show you the full condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle as well. It's an incredible looking vehicle and the Gen F HSV range is probably the toughest they have ever looked. So at that front end there, you do get a very aggressive front grille there. You've got the double split at the top, plus a big black grille down the bottom. Plenty of airflow through that grille. It's a nice low aerodynamic design as well, so great for your keeping your engine cool and keeping the airflow nice and steady into your V8 there. Now, nice sharp headlights as well in the Gen Fs, probably the best they've ever looked as well. Projector beam and high beams in there. Down the bottom you've also got the fog lights with the HSV badging on them. Now Holden has a knack for integrating their parking sensors quite subtly into the front grille, so they are all color matched. You've even got the side parking sensors on the front there, the black one in there, and the front parking sensors in the middle grille. You've also got the daytime running lamp just under there, so incredible look at the front. They're nice, tough and aerodynamic design. Condition wise, I can't actually fault it. For a 2014 built vehicle, this actually presents really well. Now you've got a set of the almost black wheels on this. They are 20s, I believe. Yep, they are 20s. So incredible look, and they do contrast quite nicely with the white paintwork. And they make those red HSV brakes behind there really stand out. You've got slotted rotors as well, so great stopping power in this vehicle. It's all fun and games to go fast, but it is important to stop at some point too. You've got the indicator built-ins outside grille there. Now that is a non-functional vent, however it does once again contrast quite nicely with the white paintwork. Got the black mirrors and the color matched side door handles there with the keyless entry, so pressing that button will lock and unlock the vehicle. The windows are also tinted, so it's going to save you some money down the track. Now having a look in the inside, considering you do get very high bolsters in this vehicle, nice sporty seats there, they do hug you quite well, but you do usually tend to see a lot of wear along the bolsters here, especially rolling in and out of the vehicle, but there is minimal wear there, a little bit of creasing, nothing too major. You've got a set of carpet mats in there as well. Scuff guards are in great condition, and even the door trims where people tend to get lazy and kick them open, once again great condition there. Take a look at the back as well from the side here, just to show you how incredible the seats actually are. So you've got a bucket seat design at the back as well, so very well set up in this vehicle. Close that back up and keep making our way along the side of the vehicle. As you can see, you've got the Clubsport badging along the side there as well. Great condition on those side skirts, and that back set of wheels, once again the nice concave design looks incredible. There are a couple of superficial marks, nothing too major at all considering the age of the vehicle, but you've got a massive set of brakes on the back there as well. So as I said guys, plenty of power and plenty of stopping potential as well, and those tires are almost new at the time of the video. Fuel filler cap is on the driver's side, sorry, which is pretty standard across the Holden range. Now the back end, I have to say, is a very aggressive looking back end, considering that's where most people are going to be seeing this car from. You want to look good from behind, so you've got that nice low spoiler there with the double split in the middle, HSV badging in the back, the R8 badging with the HSV flag there, 340 badging, and those angry taillights. They have got a ring of LEDs in them, so very nice design. We've also got the quad chrome tip exhaust, which do sound incredible. You've also got reverse parking sensors and a camera. Now the car does come with two sets of keys. The reason I'm showing you this at the back of the vehicle is because you actually get a remote start in this car. So when you lock the vehicle and hold down the remote start button, it is a great way to warm your car up before you get to it. So if I can actually get it to work, there we go. You can warm your car up before you get to it. You can listen to the note from the outside and enjoy the sound of your beautiful new HSV. Now I'm just going to pop the tailgate and show you. The Commodores and the HSVs get incredible boot space as well, so plenty of space in there, great condition, and when you lift this up, you've actually got another full-size wheel there. It's not a matching alloy, however, it will serve its purpose. You've got your jack and tools under there as well. Close that back up. I have to say this car sounds absolutely incredible. As you can see, the LED rings and those taillights as well look absolutely stunning. Condition from front to back is very consistent. If we keep making our way along the passenger side now, that next wheel there, once again, That one is actually, I'm being very picky here, there's a couple of very slight scuffs along the edges, but overall the face of that wheel does look absolutely stunning. Great looking set of tires on this as well, I have to say. Condition wise, this side presents just like the other side, and the front incredibly well looked after, and that next wheel again, great condition there. So guys, as you can see, this is an incredible vehicle, very well set up, beautiful design. Holden has absolutely nailed the Gen Fs, so it is a vehicle that you are going to want to get your hands on, and we're going to talk to you about glass coat anyway, because that is going to give you an additional warranty on that paintwork and preserve this condition for as long as you plan to own it. The other thing I'd highly recommend you talk to us is an additional protection plan, but I'll discuss that with you later. I'm going to stop wasting your time and let's have a look at that engine. As it's the part you've all been waiting for, is the LS3, the 6.2 litre V8, which powers this monster. Now, as you can see right on the front here, it does come with that over the radiator intake. So as I said, that grille is set up to maximize the airflow into that engine, give you great induction. Now, it has got a 6-speed automatic gearbox as well, which does make it an incredible drive. The power output from the engine, no shy figures there at all. You can see it right on top, 340 kilowatts with a torque rating of a massive 570 Newton meters. So massive power and torque there from factory. It does have a 71 litre fuel tank. We'd probably recommend running it on a minimum of 95. However, if you do want better performance, you'd probably want to run it on the highest grade fuel you possibly can. Now, I'm not going to go too much into the fuel consumption because I know you're not buying this car for fuel consumption anyway. So let's take a look at the inside. Taking a look inside the HSV now. On the driver's side door, the VF or the Gen F, Commodores and HSVs do get a very nice design here. You've got the suede trim here, you've got the carbon fiber trim underneath that, more suede and a bunch of different designs, even a leather wrapped armrest. Now on the driver's side door, the power windows are all automatic up and down. Above that you've got your toggle for the power mirrors, and above that again is central locking buttons. Now on the right hand side here, you've got your headlight controls. They are auto, so just leave them in auto. The car will decide when it needs to use them. You've got the illumination control for your clusters and your heads up display adjuster there. So there is a little light that pops up on the windscreen in front of you, which lets you see your speed plus various warnings. Now on the right hand side, on the stalker, you have got your indicators. You've also got your high beams and your menu functions for the display between the clusters. On the left here, you've got your washer and wiper controls. Now the wheel itself, it's a very nice leather wrapped wheel, very comfortable to hold. You've got the paddles behind the wheel if you wanted the extra control over your gears. You've also got media controls on the right here, plus your cruise control and a couple of safety functions here as well. So you've got forward collision mitigation and your lane departure warning on the left. The vehicle does also come with your blind spot monitors in the mirrors, so great safety setup in the HSV as well. Now in the center display, you do get the new MyLink system. When you press navigation, you do get nav inbuilt there. When you press home, you've got all your media controls, so AM, FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, phone connectivity, USB, and much more. Now down the bottom here, dual zone climate control means passenger and driver can both set their own temperatures, or you can have them both synced up into one. Below that, now we know everybody loves gauges, so you've got your battery voltage and your oil temperature just down there as well, and your R8 badging, just to remind you that you're not just driving another Commodore. The shifter, if I put it in reverse, I'll show you, do get a very nice reverse camera there, so you can see the rear bumper, and if you press park assist, you've got a radar for you've got the diagram for the parking sensors. Now you can drive the vehicle as a standard auto, or if you bump it to the left into sports mode, you can switch through your gears manually. Behind the shifter, I like to call this your fun dial, so you can switch through the various settings in your vehicle. So you can have it in touring mode if you want to drive comfortably, sports mode if you want to have a little bit of fun, or performance if you wanted to go all out power. Now next to that, you've got the electric park brake, you've got your park assist if you wanted some help parallel parking. You've also got the parking sensors there, 2 cup holders, and that leather wrapped center console with a USB and AUX port. Now if your key battery was to die and you can't start your car, just slide the key in there and you'll still be able to start it with the push button start. Now behind the center console, You've got your 2 air conditioning vents, and if we pan around the interior, I know I showed you from the outside as well, but interior condition is in incredible condition. The HSV badging in the headrest looks stunning. Roof lining's in great condition as well, and we've even got a sunglass holder up in the roof there. So great setup in this vehicle, nice sporty design. It is a comfortable car to use, and there's plenty of car to enjoy as well. So what we're going to do now, guys, is jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of the incredible HSV Clubsport. Now guys, HSV's slogan, as you are probably well aware, is "I just want one." And let me tell you, after you have driven this vehicle, you are going to want one. It's an incredible car to drive, an absolutely tough look, and considering it is the last in the range of the HSVs, well, it is a Series 1, there is a Series 2, but considering it is one of the final models, it looks absolutely stunning, and you're going to want to get your hands on it as soon as possible. Now, as I said, we are going to talk to you about the glass coat, and I think you should take advantage of it, because with the additional warranty on your paintwork, it's a great way to keep your car looking this incredible and preserve its already beautiful condition for as long as you plan to own it. Now, the other option we have got, which the car does qualify for, is the premium mechanical protection plan. There's 181 items covered. You get $3,600 claims, 5 years of cover, or up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock. We've also got up to 10 years of premium roadside assistance. So plenty of options there to keep your car protected for as long as you own it. Ask us about it, because there are more inclusions in that plan, and it's great value and a great way to keep your car protected. Now, if you did want some finance options, please speak to our business managers, Julie or Mario, who would love to tailor a package to suit your needs. They'll work in all those protective options for you as well, into payments which you are comfortable with. Before I go, you also need to check out our Google reviews. So Google Berwick Mitsubishi, have a read of what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are buying a great quality vehicle, you're buying from the right dealership, and we're going to look after you from start to finish. So guys, I know you want one of these, so give us a call on 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.